Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you leverage the conversation AI dashboards to ensure greater transparency with your clients, or just make sure that you're optimizing your bots based on their performance. So let's dive into my screen here and I'll show you how to go about it. All right, so I'm in my HighLevel sub account and I'm going to head over to settings, and then I'm going to head over to conversation AI. So these dashboards are specific to each bot. So you can see I have a couple of bots set up, and this is the more used one. So I'll just open this real quick, and then you will find the dashboard tab here. So let's go ahead and click on that, and you will see in a moment that it will start showing these stats, which we will talk about now. So firstly, we have an option to filter these by different channels. So if you just want information or stats based on a specific channel, you can select that here. Then we also have a date range, which is fully dynamic. So you can choose that. For example, let's do this month, and you will see that it created 2 unique contacts, and then how many actions were triggered, how many appointments were booked, and then you can see we have total unique contacts. So if the bot ended up creating contacts, it will be displayed here, and then we have the total actions triggered. Now these are the bot actions, so if these came into play, it will also reflect that, and you will find that under the bot goals. So under bot goals, if you scroll down, you can see that I just set up a few actions here. So if these are also being triggered, then they will also be displayed under the dashboard. Then we have total appointments booked. So if your bot ended up booking appointments, that of course will be displayed here. And then how much time it saved. Now this metric is estimated based on an average response time of 10 seconds per message. So based on that, you can see that how much minutes or hours it actually ended up saving you or the client, so they can also see the value of it. And then right below we have a chart where you can see over a period of time how these actions performed. So if you talk about unique contacts, you can see that based on the date range, and you can check the same thing for total actions or total appointments booked. So that is how you can go about it. Then it also shows you the total number of messages, and also gives you a reference for the last month, and then average messages per contact. So these are stats which are going to help you to first determine how your bot is responding, how many messages it is sending, and it also helps with the transparency aspect of it, because if you can share this with the client, they can also see the value, and it's a more transparent process. So this is the data that is unique to each bot. So that is why you see the dashboard under each conversation AI bot separately. And you can also see some more information. So if you have some more actions and appointment stats here, if you click on that, it will also give you a breakdown of what type of bot action and how much it happened. So that can also be helpful for you to understand how your bot is performing. But overall, it just serves a great purpose of giving you a bird's eye view of how this bot is performing, and you can of course optimize it and share this with your clients to establish the value that you will be delivering to them. So that was about this quick video. Hopefully it provided you some value. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them right below. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.